everyone, my name is Bernie. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you are notified when I post a new video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Luxtension collection in the style Cashmere. Now I would actually like to thank obviously Andrea for recommending these eyelashes. I went out to Walmart to go get these lashes and I tried to look online to see if they had them and I couldn't find them, but they are at Walmart, so I'll put the link in the description down below. So as I've mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be putting on eyeliner. You guys can tell the difference and I'll put a side-by-side picture at the bottom. So I'm wearing it, the Cashmere right now, and these are like the cutest eyelashes, just the cutest eyelashes. Like, I like them so much, but there's a but, and this part sucks so bad. They were not slightly, they were pretty irritating to put on. I don't know what it is about these lashes, but when I was putting the glue on the lashes and I kind of like tilted it forward, which I shouldn't have, the glue went into the lashes super fast. So I think they were more silkier, if that makes sense. And I know I've noticed that about some of the Kiss lashes. Some of them are silkier than others, if that makes sense. Hopefully that does. If not, sorry. But yeah, so it took like a while for me to put them on, and I usually take about 10 minutes, maybe less, putting on my eyelashes, and this time it took like 20 minutes. Like, this side I did good because I did this one first, so I got the hang of how to work with it, but that's usually annoying to me. But another big thing that wasn't too good about these lashes was it picked up a lot of fuzzies. The moment I was putting them on, they just picked up a bunch of fuzzies, and it was quite annoying. And I know that's pretty normal with lashes, especially if you're wearing them every day, but these ones instantly got little fuzzies. But they're really super cute lashes. It's just the whole how hard they were to put on. Like, I would just recommend to keep your lashes like upright. Hope that makes sense. Like, don't put it forward after putting your lashes on. Like, most lashes you can just do whatever, but this one, don't pull it forward so much so that the glue runs into the lashes. The band is where you want it to be, but when it starts going into the lashes, I think that's where the fuzzies start to stick. Now, when I do the eyeliner part, I'm gonna be putting my hair up, and I'm gonna be linking another video of my review on the insert name here crimpled ponytail. So I will you will see me with the eyeliner with that, just so you guys are tempted to click on my review for that. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up without the liner, and then we'll switch to the liner with my ponytail. I don't think you can see the fuzzies, but we'll take a closer look. So this is what it looks like with eyeliner, along with my insert name here, crimpled ponytail. And of course, eyeliner always, you know, gives eyelashes that of course it makes a difference. So I will leave the link to the insert name here review right here. And yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see it. So other than the fuzzies and then being careful putting on the glue with the lashes, that's all. That was just my only pet peeve about how difficult they were to put on. And then also the fuzzies. Now, I do put my eyelashes on underneath my eyelid, and if you by any chance are wondering how I do that, click this link So I'm not sure if they go well at the top. All I'm saying is, because I don't put mine on the top, I put mine on the bottom, but all I'm saying is be careful on putting them forward. And I know that's for every lash, but for this one, it like the lashes catch on so much faster with the glue than any other ones. Like I usually don't have this problem. It's only like some Kiss products that they slide into the lash instead of staying on the band. Hopefully that makes sense, because I did fine like on this side. Once I got used to it, I'm like, oh man, it's one of those lashes. I was able to do this side quicker. That would be my recommendation, and then you'll have beautiful lashes. I mean, look at them, they're just so cute. Yeah, I like them. I would definitely go get another pair. I just will be more careful with the glue. Don't forget to go click on the video of my review on the insert name here, crunched ponytail. And other than that, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Click on it. Bye.